Today on DelphStack, I will show you how to disable Google Password Manager on your device. First, open the Chrome app on your device. When Chrome opens, look at the top right corner and tap the three-dot menu. From the menu, choose Settings. In the Settings page, from the options on the left, click on Autofill and Passwords. On the right, click on the Google Password Manager button. A new window will open. When the Password Manager opens, look at the top left corner and you will see a Settings menu button. Tap on that to open the Password Manager settings. Now you will see the option called Offer to Save Passwords. This feature makes Chrome ask you to save passwords when you log into a website. To disable Google Password Manager, simply turn this option off. Chrome will stop offering to save passwords once this switch is off. You can close the settings now, and you are done. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.